When your design is ready for manufacturing, the details matter. The Finish feature in Inventor Professional enables you to specify manufacturing processes such as material coating, heat treatment, surface texture, and paint. Specify the process and appearance along with additional property information for downstream consumption. Selection filters make it easy to specify bodies and faces for each Finish feature. Select items to apply the feature as well as faces to exclude. This flexibility makes mass selection of objects easier. The property information that you input can later be used for annotations, bill of material, or your drawing title block. Each Finish feature will be recorded in the browser folder. They can be edited from here or renamed. And yes, you can add multiple Finish features to your design. And use a window selection to select multiple bodies or faces in one sweep. The order of your Finish features does matter. Simply drag and drop them to match the manufacturing process order. You will also see it visually on the model. Over in the drawing environment, we can access the Finish feature data for annotations. When you create a new leader note, there is the option to specify which Finish properties you need. And remember, they are associative back to the model. You will also find in the Parameters dialog, they are located there to view and make modifications. If we edit a value, when we go back to the Finish feature, you will see the change there as well. Even back in the 2D drawing, we will see the update. The Finish feature in Inventor streamlines the process of documenting and preparing your designs for manufacturing.